What about the common station?
That's another problem. The common station started in 2008. That was the
2008?
Opo, GMA time pa po yan. Yung ideya na yan.
Ano nangyari?
Yun nga po ang tanong. Wala akong nangyari. Thankfully po, during the time of Secretary Tugade, he started it in 2019.
Tugade was Duterte, no?
Opo. In 2019, this was awarded to BF Corporation.
Biani Fernando.
And they started it. Unfortunately, tinamaan ng COVID. Tinamaan ng COVID at nagkaroon ng problema. Ang naging problema lang po, 3 years na po since COVID, wala pa rin nangyari. Hindi pa rin natatapos. So I had to make the difficult decision of terminating it. So this was.
Who are you going to replace?
We are now in the process of finding a new contractor who will replace it, and there are several ways of doing it. No, you can either rebid, or we can do a PPP under the new PPP code. And if you ask me, my personal preference is to do a PPP.
Faster.
It's faster, and we can make sure that it's going to get finished and the quality will be. Will not be compromised. No? Because typically, sa PPP, mas kampante tayo na,
for people who don't really understand what this common store, the value of this common store, could you give
it's so valuable.
In a nutshell.
Ngayon po kasi ganito nangyayari. I will give you a description of a person, a commuter, let's say coming from Baclaran. No, manggagaling po siya ng or manggagaling ng Recto halimbawa. Sasakay po siya ng LRT1. LRT1 papuntang papuntang Monumento. Tapos po bababa siya sa FPJ station sa Roosevelt. Yun ang end ng LRT1.
Okay.
Gusto niyang pumunta ng Ayala Avenue. Okay. So kailangan niyang pumunta ng MRT3 kasi ang MRT3 bababa siya ng Ayala. Ang problema dahil walang common station, yung commuter po na yon, bababa siya sa FPJ station sa Roosevelt, bababa siya, maghahanap siya ng either ng taxi, ng angkas, or sasakay siya ng busway, o ng Grab. Hindi, para pumunta ng North EDSA. Para, bababa na naman siya, aakyat siya ng MRT, sasakay siya ng MRT, pupunta siya ng Ayala. Okay. Kung meron pong common station, dire-diretso na po siya sa common station. At pagdating ng common station, bababa siya ng tren, maglalakad siya ng konti, lilipat siya sa tren ng MRT3, sasakay na siya doon papuntang Ayala.
So the common station is where?
It's critical. It's in Trinoma. In between Trinoma and SM North EDSA.
Correct.
At ang pinakamaganda po doon, co-connect din po doon yung MRT7 ng San Miguel Corporation. Tatlong systems ang co-connect doon. MRT7, yung mga pupunta naman po, nakatira ng San Jose del Monte, ng Fairview, yung along Commonwealth Avenue, yung mga subdivision po doon.
Yes.
Pagkasi ka po ay galing halimbawa ng Fairview, pupunta siya ng Ayala Avenue, sasakay siya hindi na siya magkokotse, Sir Ted. Sasakay na nga siya ng MRT7, bababa siya sa common station, lalakad siya ng konti,